Greetings from Dystopia, episode 81. Small tractors. I stopped to fish a pond earlier and some kid had left their little toy there. And it just looked so tiny. But yet when I looked, I could imagine the clover that was behind it was a tree, and, you know, to try and make sense of scale. But, yeah, I did it. Shot a little bit of video up on the bridge here for you guys. I'll mix that in here. Saw a couple nice smallmouth hanging around with some carp. But no matter what I did, it was either too much glare from the sun or too dark for the camera to make it out to try and get video of them. And that made me think about making a long stick for my GoPro, my action cam. Be able to drop that down off a bridge into a river and have a little bit of angular control. That would be sweet. So I'm going to look at painter's sticks at some time. See if I can adapt that down to make it work. Well, that's certainly helping the mood some. Something about rivers. I heard something funny and I turned around and looked, and you can just see them there on the other side of the bridge. Little John boat with a gas-powered motor on it. I don't recall ever seeing a powered boat out here that wasn't part of a fish sample. That's interesting. I love the rock bottom on this river. It's gravel through here. You get some areas where it's mud and you're sinking up to your knees in mud, which is never fun, but this is a great river to fish. Nope, not seeing anybody. Duck moving its way across, nice and peaceful. This is something I could set up a camera on all day and never get tired of looking at it. Okay, well, you'll just have to trust me. It's either there's too much glare or it's too dark. But they are right center of picture, just inside that shade line. Peaceful out here other than the weed eater that's going. Got the nice sound of the birds. Just did a lot of errands today. Got a package out to ship. I did my grocery shopping. I went to Menards, picked up a few things. I did pick up the gutter protector, gutter cover. This stuff. This one actually has a screen in it. You can see the screens on this side. Ah, wrong way. So I'll work on cutting that up. I was going to film it today, but this camera is not charging. It's I need a Sharpie. I need to make a template. Not ready. So we'll work on that tomorrow. I think I said that already, come to think of it. What ruined the day for me was the trip to Menards. A lot of people. I'm not one for crowds anyways. And the other was a customer in there going around without a mask on. He had 4 employees following him, telling him, "Sir, you have to wear a mask or you have to leave the store." He just kept right on shopping, just completely ignoring him. At first, I was trying to give him the benefit of the doubt and think, well, is he hard of hearing? But no, he was just being a dick. Finally, I don't know if he was a manager or just a bigger employee, but fairly muscular guy, came over with his little Menards vest on and told him, "You either have to put on the mask or you have to leave the store." And it was more or less to the effect of, "Don't make me make you leave." And the guy's like, "I don't have to wear a mask." It's, and he went on to the whole, it's a conspiracy, it's a hoax. It was everything I could do to not lose my temper. I just decided it's best to just walk away, let the store people handle it. As I was heading over to get into line, the police came. And they were escorting him out of the store. Ironically enough, he had a mask on then. Difficult for people to just be decent human beings. Why that is not their first and foremost priority. Than the average Joe on the street, as far as what it takes to be a decent human being. So much for the teachings. I'll stop right there. I'm not going to go off on a tangent. Since all of this has started, I have unfriended probably 9 people total on Facebook. I have hidden a lot of friends on Facebook, where it says take a break. I've had to do that because they're just pissing me off. And I know this does not make for a good, positive video today. And for that, I apologize, but every now and then you gotta vent, I guess. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the bench in a little bit. Alright, I'm not sure what's going on, but the video I just did on the bench, about halfway through, the video stops, but yet the audio keeps playing. One of those days. We'll get back to the bench soon enough. I'm going to go work on that problem now while I finish the rendering to get this video up to you guys, but that's it. I apologize for being in a crappy mood today. I'll be in a better mood tomorrow. Be good, be well.